And we're going to stay overseas for the latest on North Korea. Kim Jong Un pressed for that summit with President Trump by appearing to promise an end to his nuclear program in their meeting with the South Korean leader if the U.S. will make peace with North Korea. Our chief global affairs anchor Martha Raddatz joins us now with the details. Good morning, Martha.
Good morning, George. It is the South Korean government that says that Kim Jong Un told them that he would give up those nuclear weapons, weapons close to, if not already capable of reaching the United States. Kim said he would do that if the U.S. promises not to invade North Korea and formally ends the Korean War. We also saw those friendly images between the North and South, and the concessions from the North have seemingly come one after another. Kim has also vowed to shut down a nuclear test site next month in advance of the summit with President Trump, and said he will invite experts and journalists to confirm that. But there have been decades of promises from North Korea in the past, and the new Secretary of State, Mike Pompeo, on This Week said despite Kim's words, the U.S. will need proof of complete, verifiable, irreversible denuclearization.
We're going to require those steps that demonstrate that denuclearization is going to be achieved. We're not going to take promises. We're not going to take words. We're going to look for actions and deeds. The President has made incredibly clear, we will keep the pressure campaign in place until we achieve that.
Pompeo was clear about that, but what he was not clear about is what the U.S. would do in return in order to achieve that goal. Just saying again that the administration, George, has its eyes wide open.
Right, because we've seen these promises, as you point out, from North Korea in the past. Meantime, any more details on the timing of this possible summit with President Trump and where it might be?
Well, late May, early June, they say. The president said on Friday 2 or possibly 3 locations. It's been reported that Singapore is likely, but the White House has not confirmed anything at this point and is still doing a lot of diplomatic work leading up to this, George.
Martha Raddatz, thanks very much.